my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. We released so many amazing products this month at the Stamps of Life. I thought it would be a really good idea for me to kind of just show you everything all in one video as a little recap. Chances are you might have missed one or two, and you know what? You're gonna wanna get them quick. For example, we released for our Stamp Club members the awesome sandcastles to stamp, which is really, really fun. However, we also, for our Die-Hard Club members, had the dies that matched. We had so much fun with this one, and don't forget, we even had a sandcastle fold it, which is amazing and love it, and it all coordinates together. We even had a sayings for the sandcastles, which is really fun. You definitely need to get those. Now, chances are you're already a club member, so you already have these, but if you're not in the club, you kind of missed out. You gotta get them now, okay? You gotta go join the club right now to get these because they're just awesome. Now, what else do I have? We released our little Peeps, our giraffe and our horse, and I have a lot of fun samples to share with you, don't worry. So we're gonna show samples too, but they were so much fun because, dun 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 dun, Little Peep Miller matches. Yes, Little Peep Miller matches, and of course there's gonna be a Liam soon, right? And look how fun all the clothing go with all the little Peeps. So you get to mix and match the clothes, which are really fun, I love them. We also released by customer request, mini pudgies. This is mini pudgies number 1. We're gonna also eventually have mini pudgies number 2. So if your mini pudgy favorite is not here, maybe it's gonna be on the next one. And these are so cute. They're perfect for the triple circle flip it. And oh, we just have so much fun with these. Now, oh, there was an add-on set for the sandcastle set because you know what? You can never have too much sand, right? These have cute little sand piles, a different bucket, a different shovel, and different words, which were so much fun. Now, we also released our, what are we officially calling this? A gift card pop-up die set. I originally took this one on HSN and whew, flew out the door, sold out. It's an amazing product. It's so much fun. Anytime you want to give somebody a gift card, this is a really fun way to do it. So make sure you check out that one as well. And then, dun, 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 thanks to my friend Shirley, we released the dressing screen card that fits in the mini slimline envelope. Oh, I know, isn't it amazing? Let me show you that one right off the bat. Look at how gorgeous this is. It has so many different options. You have different layering option dies. It comes with the swirl. It comes with that cute little rectangle one. It has this fun little edge at the top, and it folds, of course, flat for mailing, but it also fits in the slimline envelope, which is exciting. Ooh, we also released doily number 4. Look how gorgeous that is. I absolutely love it. Now, here's a fun one of our beach set. Oh my goodness gracious. It's like, let's just go to the beach. Let's all go to the beach together. I'm ready. Oh, here's the fold it. Look at this. 5x7 fold it. Imagine a shaped card that looks like that. You're sending that to someone, they are gonna fall over, right? Oh, we also released our kudos fold it, which is so fun. Sometimes you just wanna say, hey, kudos, like, hey, that was pretty awesome, right? Look at our cute little mini pudgies decorating this one. Here's our cute little Miller, baby Miller, playing baseball, cute little stand-up as well. Here's that fun gift card one that literally pops up. My friend Melody made this one for Ken and Stephanie when it was our anniversary. We got cute little cookie there, and we have Ken and Stephanie holding hands. Look how fun that is. And there's a little gift card in there, so cute. And it comes with those flowers, which is even better. Here's a fun one with those gorgeous die cut leaves. That is for the Friends Forever die set that came out to match the stamp set. Ooh, look at our cute little giraffe. Now the giraffe is really fun because you can color him any which way you want. Here are just 3 examples of different ways you can color him. So much fun, especially with our new tri-blend markers that we all love. We can't keep them in stock. We also released an A2 flower to layer fold it. So now you can do flower shaped cards or banners. This is the flower I used for my Mother's Day banner. Oh, look how cute this one. This is our little fish bowl. And look, I dig you. Isn't that adorable with our little sand castle? So cute. Lastly, we also released another round of our Sequins and More. This is set number 5, and this one has metallics, blacks, it has whites. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And limited, very limited, we have a pastel ribbon set and very limited summer epoxies. Oh my goodness, did you miss some of those? You might have. you better go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. Now, if you're not in the club, the best time to ever join the Die Hard Club, where you get the stamps and the dies that match, is right now. Because for the rest of 2021, starting in July, August, September, October, November, December, for the next 6 months, you're gonna get 2 free gifts in every single shipment. Die Hard Club only. Why? Because Kenny and I want you to know how much we love you. We love our club members and we want you to know, so we thought the best way to tell you, besides coming to everybody's house, right? We can't do that, but we can give you free stuff. So Die Hard Club members are getting 2 free freebies in every shipment for the rest of the year. Isn't that amazing? I know. Go sign up now if you're not in the Die Hard Club. It's only $24.90 a month. That includes the stamps, that includes the dies, that includes everything. It's gonna be shipped to your door, and then you get a 15% discount off of everything on our website. Oh, not a one-time 15% discount. As long as you're a club member, every order you place gets a 15% discount. And a sign-on gift, actually you get 2 sign-on gifts for joining the Die Hard Club with all the other freebies. And if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you're gonna get a $15 gift certificate to our website. I know, we're like paying you to be our club members because we love you so much. So go check out that, thestampsoflife.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click the subscribe button because you definitely want to know when we come out with new videos, and click the little bell so you get a little notification. You know what? I'm gonna go to thestampsoflife.com right now. You better meet me over there. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.